Kakashi shirt design. Let's go!
For this project, gumamit tayo ng posing app called Post-it. At yung sketch, ginawa natin yan sa iPad using Procreate. After ng sketch, pupulido natin yan using Adobe Illustrator. Dito na rin natin nilagyan ng kulay at mga detalye. Let's go! Shoutout nga pala kina Kabido Jumari, Daniel Cornell, at Ronald Posada. Maraming salamat po sa suporta. Now let's check out the details. Sa taas nakalagay Copy Ninja. Ayan yung maangas na sharingan ni Kakashi. Check out those details. I-zoom in pa natin. And of course, vector po yan. Here's the full layout. Here's the front design. Here's the mock-up.
Kung kailangan mo ng maangas na design like this one, PM lang. Salamat!